Okay, Mr. Chambers, that will conclude our last lesson.
Okay.
So we did work on a lot of putting today. We did use the blast putting motion, which was really helpful. Two drills to work on alignment, setup, hitting the ball in the center of the club face. We worked on lag putting, and we also worked on starting it on our line. So kind of just go over how you felt throughout the lesson, what you kind of felt through each one of the drills, and how you liked the blast putting motion with it being your first time using it. Kind of seeing the numbers and seeing how your club face opens, closes, speed, tempo, things like that.
Well, the drills are fantastic, especially the alignment drill, making sure I'm coming back and coming through appropriately with the face in the right position. The speed was probably one of my biggest things again. The speed on that first drill was spot on. The lag putting speed I definitely need to work on. I either hammered it most of the time, or a few times took too much off and came up short, but that definitely progressed and got better as I continued to work through it. So that'll be a drill I'll definitely go out and do. The
Blast
putting motion was fantastic. Looking at those numbers, it's kind of cool to see, and quite frankly, I think I may go out and buy one of those.
Yeah, it's a great tool to use. I've had it for about a year now. I really like to use it in my putting lessons to kind of get a baseline. It's always nice to see the numbers in the full swing with the TrackMan or the Flight Scope, whatever you have. But in terms of putting, like, no one ever really thinks about your putter face opens, it closes, where is it at impact, things like that. Tempo is a huge thing in putting.
Mm-hmm.
So a couple of those things to hit putts wherever you want, anywhere on a putting green, and be able to just kind of see the numbers of what your putts are actually doing. It's great to know you're pushing, you're pulling, especially when you have someone there to help you set up and aim properly, or a drill like one of the ones we have behind you that will kind of set up and aim you perfectly to the point where you can just kind of hit putts and continue to get those numbers and see exactly what your putting stroke's doing. So it is a great tool. I'm glad we got you on it today.
Yeah, for sure.
And we'll conclude our lesson series.
Excellent.
Glad we got outside for one of the lessons.
Beautiful. Thank you so much.
Perfect. Have a great rest of your day.
Thank you.